time to witness something truly magical. Presenting our special magician of the night, Dhruv Okas. Give a huge round of applause. Come on, everyone.
Don't shout loud for the very first time. What was the word you were thinking of?
Cappuccino.
Thank you so much. I want you to hold this phone and show the number to everyone. Can you hold this like this? And it's 5, 4, 0, 5, 3, 1, 5. It's not the end. It's not the end. This is a picture में climax होता है starting में बता. If you switch this paper. Thank you so much.